Dear students, in the last class, our discussion was about calculation of sacrificing ratio. Today, let me move on to see the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. See, when a partner is admitted into an existing partnership firm, he will get a share in the future profits that we have discussed earlier. As the new partner gets a share in the profit in future, there will be a change in the profit sharing ratio of the existing partners or the old partners because they surrender a part of their share in the profit in favor of the new partner. As they share or surrender a part of their share in favor of new partner, there will be a change in the profit sharing ratio. So you may see that on the admission of a new partner, the profit sharing ratio among the old partners will change. What for? On account of contribution to the share of new partner. Hence, we are supposed to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, or we are supposed to calculate the effect of the effect on the profit sharing ratio of the old partners. Hence, there is a need to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio among all the partners, including the new partner. See, let us learn how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio with the help of an example. So, first, note down the problem. Amshu and Neetu are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which she acquired 2/10 from Amshu and 1/10 from Neetu. This is the problem. Who are the old partners here? Amshu and Neetu are old partners. They used to share the profit or loss in the ratio of 3:2. And now they have taken Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which Jyoti acquires. How she acquires? She acquires 2/10 share from Amshu and 1/10 from Neetu. And you are asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Amshu, Neetu and Jyoti. ಅಂಶು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀತು ಪಾಲುದಾರರಾಗಿದ್ರು 3:2 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಾಲುದಾರ ಅಂತ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 3/10 ಶೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಶಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ 3/10 ಶೇರ್? 3/10 ಶೇರ್ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಶಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 2/10 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂಶು and 1/10 from Neetu. And with this information, we are supposed to calculate here new profit sharing ratio. How to calculate? Let's see now. Take that in calculation of profit sharing, new profit sharing ratio. While calculating the new profit sharing ratio, we have to calculate the new share of each partner, particularly the new share of the old partners. Who is the first partner here? Amshu. Amshu's old share how much? You know, 3:2 means if 5 rupees is profit, Amshu gets 3 rupees. So 3/5. Amshu's old share 3/5. Amshu's new share how much? We have to calculate. But what information is given in the problem? The new partner Jyoti gets some portion of her share from Amshu and some portion from Neetu. Specifically given. ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ 3/10 ಶೇರ್ ಅಂಶು ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀತು ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is the share surrendered by Amshu and Neetu or share sacrificed by Amshu and Neetu in favor of the new partner. So how much she has obtained from Amshu? She has obtained 2/10 share from Amshu. So share sacrificed by Amshu is 2/10. Old share ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3/5 ಇದೆ. 3/5 ದಲ್ಲಿ 2/10 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂಶು? ಜ್ಯೋತಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 3/5 ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್. ಆ 3/5 ಶೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಅಂಶು? 2/10 ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಜ್ಯೋತಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Then what is Amshu's new share? You can calculate now, isn't it? Very easily you can calculate. Old share 3/5. ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು? 3/5 ಇತ್ತು. ಜ್ಯೋತಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು ಅವಳು? 2/10 ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ or share surrender. Both the words are okay. ನೀವು share sacrificed ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, share surrendered ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ share surrendered ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. There should not be any room for confusion. Both are equal. Share sacrificed or share surrendered. So new share equals old share plus old share minus share sacrificed. Old share minus share sacrificed. Therefore, Amshu's new share equal or new share of Amshu equals, you know, Amshu's old share how much? 3/5, isn't it? Amshu's old share is 3/5. And from that 3/5, we have to deduct the share sacrificed by Amshu in favor of the new partner, Jyoti. How much it is? 2/10. Already we have noted it here. So, 3/5 minus share sacrifice or surrender. How much it is? 2/10. New share equals old share minus share sacrifice or share surrender. So 3/5 minus 2/10. Common factor LCM is 10 here. Again I will not calculate. I hope you have understood it already. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 50 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನ LCM ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ you know 5 into 2 10, 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10. 5 2 times comes to 10. So numerator 3 2 times comes to 6 minus 10 into 1 10, 2 into 1 2. So deduct it. 10 common, so 4/10. 6 minus 2 4. New share of Amshu equals 4/10. Clear? New share of Amshu equals 4/10. In the same way, we have to calculate the new share of the other partner, that is Neetu. Neetu's old share how much? Neetu's old share is 2/5. Neetu's sacrificed portion how much or surrendered portion how much? Neetu sacrificed in favor of Jyoti 1/10. Neetu surrenders 1/10 of her share in favor of the new partner Jyoti. So share sacrificed by Neetu is 1/10. Therefore, new share of Neetu equals her old share 2/5 minus her new share, her old share 2/5 minus share sacrificed how much? 1/10 comes to how much? Common factor 10. Then 5 into 2 10, 2 into 2 4, 10 into 1 10, 1 into 1 1. 4 minus 1, 3/10. New share of Neetu equals 3/10. Now we can put it in the form of ratio. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio of Amshu, Neetu and Jyoti. New profit sharing ratio of Amshu, Neetu and Jyoti. We have calculated new share of Amshu how much? 4 by 10. New share of Neetu 3 by 10. And Jyoti, she is a new partner. So how much is her share? Her share is 3 by 10. 4 by 10, 3 by 10 and 3 by 10. Therefore, the new ratio equals how much? 4 is to 3 is to 3. The new ratio equals 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is how new profit sharing ratio is to be calculated. There are different circumstances. In the next problem, there may be some difference, but you should know. Basically, new share equals old share minus share surrendered. And based on that, some information may be missing. From the given information, you have to calculate the missing information and then calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay? ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ and Bharati are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Akshay and Bharati are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. Look here. Akshay and Bharati are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Akshay ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತಿ ಪಾಲುದಾರರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Profit sharing ratio how much? 3:2. Now what they do? They admit Dinesh as new partner. They admit Dinesh as new partner for how much share? 1/5 share, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. You are asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. This is the problem. Is there any change? You try it. Old ratio 3:2. New partner share 1/5. How he obtains 1/5 from the old partners? Equally. The 1/5 is contributed by Akshay and Bharati in equal proportion. Means in 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio. So now, first we have to calculate the share surrendered by Akshay and share surrendered by Bharati. How they have surrendered? They have surrendered equally, or they have sacrificed equally, 50-50. So first calculate the share surrendered by Akshay and Bharati. Take the heading, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Share sacrificed by Akshay equals how much shares she has sacrificed? She has sacrificed 50% of 1/5. New partner share how much? 1/5. And this 1/5 is contributed by Akshay and Bharati 50-50. Half equal. Okay. So 1/5 into 1/2. Equal means two partners 1/2. So 1/5 into 1/2. How much you got? 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. 1/10 share sacrificed by Akshay is how much? 1/10. Similarly, find out the share sacrificed by Bharati. How much it is? 1/5 into 1/2 again 50-50 equals 1/10. The new partner share is 1/5 and that 1/5 is contributed by Akshay and Bharati. How much? Akshay contributed 1/10 portion and Bharati contributed 1/10. 1/10 equals again 1/5 share. Okay, now let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio. We know that new share equals old share minus share sacrifice. Old share minus share sacrifice. Therefore, new share of Akshay equals Akshay's old share how much? 3/5. How much he has given to? How much he has given to the new partner? That is 1/10. 3/5 minus 1/10 comes to how much? Common factor 10. 5 into 2, 10. 3 into 2, 6. Then 10 into 1, 10. 1 into 1, 1 equals 6 minus 1, 5. 5/10. In the same way, we have to calculate the new share of Bharati. Bharati's old share how much? 2/5. Bharati's old share 2/5. How much she has surrendered or sacrificed in favor of the new partner Dinesh? She has surrendered 1/10. Again, the common factor 10. You know, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ರೂಢಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಬಹಳ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 5 into 2 how much? 10. So 2 into 2 4. 5 into 2 10. 2 into 2 4. 10 into 1 10. 1 into 1 1. So it is 3/10. The new share of Bharati is 3/10. Dinesh's share how much? Dinesh's share is 1/5. But while expressing a proportion or different proportions in ratio, the denominator should be common. ಈ ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿಯನ್ನು ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿನೇಶ್ ಶೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 1/5 ಅಂದರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಭ ಆದರೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ದಿನೇಶ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದ 2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಉಳಿದ 2 ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3/10 5/10 ಇದೆ, 3/10 ಇದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 10. Is it possible for us to make Dinesh share 1/5 in the form of 10, denominator 10 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ 2. 5 ಇದೆ, 5 into 2 10. 1 into 2 2. So 1/5 Dinesh share 1/5 or 2/10 ಅಲ್ವಾ. 5ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪಾಲನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 10ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಲನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 5ಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 10ಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ share 1/5 but we have converted it into 2/10. Okay, therefore the new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharati and Dinesh equals new share of Akshay how much? 5/10. New share of Bharati how much? 3/10. Then share of Dinesh how much? 2/10. 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Therefore the ratio equals 5:3:2. 5:3:2. This is how we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio.